This will be a speed test between the Huawei Mate 10 Pro versus the Sony Xperia XZ Premium. Now this one has been updated to Android 8.0 Oreo. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on both at the same time, see which one has the faster boot up. Let's go. And we are in! Womp 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 womp. Android 8.0 on the XZP, as you can see. Love doing this. So I'm gonna go ahead and clear out the background on both. And let's get started with the messaging app. The camera on both. There we go. Calculator. Nice and fast. Clock on both. Play Store. Woo! So quick. Click on lift. Close it out. eBay on both. Click on this Dell laptop. Leave it there. Amazon shopping. Nice and fast. Leave it on this deal of the day. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Woo! So quick. The speed test app. And give this to the XZP. Check the server. And we're on the same one. Start out with the XZP. Mario Run. Loading on both. Which one will jump out in front? And XZP a little bit faster. Tap to begin on both. Close it out. Subway Surf. Loading on the XZP. And the XZP a little bit faster. Tap to play on both devices. Close it out. Temple Run 2. See, both are loading right now. And the XZ Premium way out in front. Tap to play. Close it out. Do the same thing on the Mate. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Let's go. And it looks like we have the Premium here a little bit quicker. And the XZ Premium a little bit faster on this game. CSR Racing 2. Hearing noise from the Premium. And the XZ Premium a little bit faster on this one. So as you can see, the Premium a little bit faster when it comes to the gaming. Twitter on both phones. Give this to the Mate 10. And Snapchat. Mate 10 again. So let's take a look at the multitasking of both phones. Everything is in the background, as you can see. Go ahead and start with Twitter. Ready to tweet. CSR Racing 2. Paused and ready to resume on both phones. Grand Theft Auto San Andreas. Ready to play. Temple Run 2. Paused and ready to resume as well. Subway Surf. Ready to resume also. Very nice. Mario Run. What? Right where I left it off. Very nice. Speed test app. Ready to take a speed test on the Mate 10 and a reload here on the right. Adobe Acrobat Reader. And another reload here on the XZ Premium. Amazon shopping. Right where I left it off. eBay. Still in RAM on the Mate 10 Pro. Play Store. Right on the Lift app, ready to install. Clock. There we go. A little bit of a stutter on the right again. Calculator. Right there. The camera on both phones. There we go, ready to go. And finally, the messaging app. A little bit of a stutter on the XZP. Boom. So hit me up in the comments and let me know what you thought about this matchup. Are you a Sony boy? Rocking the Sony XZP with this phone having a 4K display and front-firing speakers? Are you looking forward to Sony's lineup for 2018 should have much lesser bezel? Or are you a fan of Huawei phones, like the Mate 10 Pro, the Mate 10, or even the Mate 9 from last year? Are you looking forward to the upcoming Huawei P20? Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.